Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a smart solution for small kitchens and indoor cooking, the BREETee Portable Range Hood Kitchen 5-Layer Filter Compact Desktop Exhaust Fan. If you cook in an apartment, dorm, RV, or even enjoy indoor barbecue or hot pot, this compact range hood is designed to help keep the air cleaner without installing a full kitchen hood. One of the biggest highlights is its 5-layer filtration system. It combines multiple aluminum mesh layers with a polymer layer and an activated carbon filter to capture grease, smoke, steam, and cooking odors before recirculating cleaner air back into the room. Despite its small size, it offers powerful suction with 3 adjustable speed modes, so you can switch between light cooking and heavier smoke situations like grilling or frying. This flexibility makes it perfect for everyday cooking, indoor barbecue, or hot pot nights. Another great feature is the compact countertop design. There's no installation required. Just place it near your cooktop, plug it in, and it starts removing smoke and grease from the air. This plug-and-play setup makes it especially useful for renters or anyone who can't install a traditional range hood. It's also designed to stay quiet during operation, running at around 50 to 65 dB, so it won't disrupt conversations while you're cooking. Plus, the removable oil collection cup and washable filters make cleaning simple and hassle-free. The lightweight portable design means you can easily move it between the kitchen, RV, dorm, or even outdoor cooking setups. It's a practical tool for reducing smoke and odors when traditional ventilation isn't available. Overall, the BREETee Portable Range Hood Kitchen 5-Layer Filter Compact Desktop Exhaust Fan is a clever little gadget that delivers strong smoke removal, portable convenience, and easy maintenance in a compact design. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching.